Shant Kumar Chaudhary versus Shivika Bhagat for the petitioner Sri Sanjeev Kumar Singh, Ms. Neha Rani.
May please, my lords.
My lord, in this case, I have already entered appearance, my lord, on behalf of opposite party number 2. And I won, my lord, and I had requested him, my lord, to hand over a copy, my lord. Till date, it has not been served upon me, my lord. So I am not in a position to assist, my lord, until I get the copy, my lord.
Who is appearing for petitioner?
My lord, my lord. Just I am giving a copy of my lord.
What is the occupation of the petitioner?
Occupation, just my lord. कहीं लिखे नहीं किए हैं लिखे नहीं किए हैं क्या बिजनेस कर रहे हैं कहीं नहीं लिखा पता नहीं है
Matter relates to maintenance. You are not. You don't know the occupation of the petitioner.
just my lord for
dismiss
today
the petition.
I pray for pass
I'll
over
dismiss
for
this petition.
today only my lord time tomorrow I will explain entire fact beloved friend has appeared my lord for the ends
You are
of
appearing
justice
for respondent.
my lord
I am for the respondent, my lord.
just
Why?
My lord, I require a copy of from my learned friend, my lord.
No,
So that, my lord, the
respondent wife.
respondent number 2 my lord
Huh?
Shivika Bhagat one
There is only one respondent.
Only one respondent is here, my
People
lord.
don't look into the file before entering the court.
for only
So and so, run counsel for the respondent, accept notice. Petitioner counsel is hereby directed to furnish a copy of the petition during the course of the day. Petitioner is hereby directed to deposit while calculating at the rate of rupees 4,000 per month from the date of filing of petition under section 24 on behalf of the respondent wife before the court below, and remit the entire arrears amount in the registry within a period of 8 weeks from today, failing which the present petition stands dismissed. Release this matter after 8 weeks.